The following explanation contains elements that are not suitable for some audiences' brains. Accordingly, viewer discretion is advised.
Xflow, explained.
Why our technology is so much better. We will try to explain in the simplest possible way. Left and right we have two hands, energy passes below. Left hand is the devices that are currently in use and how they use energy. Right hand is the H2O2 cross-flow turbine and the way she uses energy. A man, with his devices, wants to stop the energy, and accumulates it, and then use it. But you cannot stop energy, that's ridiculous. There is no point in that. It's like that you take leaky bucket, and want to drain the well. Today's devices use fins that are angled regard to the movement of energy. To us it is realistic to say, no matter how much energy you kept but how much you missed. So they do not capture the energy as you say, but let through. Since they are at an angle. The principle of the H2O2 cross-flow turbine is stunning. She taps the energy, converts it into the rotational motion and it continues to move with this energy, but with same power and energy. Like this hand. In moment, it captures the energy, but the energy is stronger and hand gets worn by it.
Stop. For God's sake. How it works.
To show secret of X, we will take you to our X testing facility, which is of course in secret place. We will secretly disassemble Xflow turbine, piece by piece. The Xflow turbine consists of following parts. The shape, size, way of connecting, etc. is matter of design. Principle is very simple, but you must remember following parts. Part, that absorbs, gas, liquid movement kinetic energy. Fins, have an integral part, rotator of fins. Over this part fins can perform its rotation. Fins are connected to the base, over rotators, with holders of fins. Do you notice how fins can freely rotate? You will realize why this is very important. Rotation of fins is controlled, limited, by part, limiter of fins. Fins can rotate, move, under the influence of kinetic energy. But we put part, limiters of fins, to control that rotation. The rotation of Xflow turbine is possible because difference in resistance at two, or more, parts that are integral part of turbine. All parts on Xflow turbine are more or less influenced by kinetic energy. With our patent, we wanted to change the amount of resistance, that some parts have in relation to the kinetic energy movement. The fins on left side absorbs kinetic energy, and gives resistance to that energy, since it cannot move further because of limiters of fins. The fins on right side are in such position that their resistance to the kinetic energy is small or insignificant. The difference in resistance, to kinetic energy movement, that left and right side of device has, allows rotation of Xflow turbine. The progress of mankind is not about who is smarter, whose device is better. But we all need to work for the benefit of mankind, with joint effort. Power of X.